In this video, you'll learn how to get the Perplexity AI extension for your Chrome browser. By following these steps, you will successfully add this extension and be ready to use its features. Begin by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as this process requires online access. Once Chrome is open, locate the address bar at the top of the window. Type in the search query for the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, you can simply enter Chrome Web Store and press the Enter key. This action will redirect you to the main page of the Chrome Web Store. On the Chrome Web Store page, you will see a search bar in the upper left corner. Click on this search bar and type Perplexity AI extension. After entering the search term, press Enter to initiate the search. This will display a list of extensions related to your query. Look through the search results for the specific Perplexity AI extension you wish to install. Once you find it, you will notice a button labeled Add to Chrome. Click on this button to start the installation process. After clicking Add to Chrome, a confirmation dialog will appear. This dialog will provide details about the extension and the permissions it requires. Review this information carefully, as it is important to understand what access the extension will have. If you agree with the permissions, click on the Add Extension button to proceed. Following the installation, you will receive a notification confirming that the Perplexity AI extension has been added to Chrome. You can now find the extension icon in the upper right corner of the browser window next to the address bar. By clicking this icon, you can easily access the features of the extension. Additionally, if you want to interact with Perplexity AI, you can also right-click on any text while browsing. This will bring up a context menu that includes options to use the Perplexity AI extension on selected text. This feature enhances your browsing experience by providing quick access to AI-generated insights. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.